Hi, I'm Blaine Cluton. As you've noticed by now, my videos don't have a lot of editing. And the point is, I'm busy. I've got to get on to the next thing. But I do have some important information to share with you today. And this is on a topic that's near and dear because it comes up so frequently in my practice. And these are the questions that I get about divorcing a narcissist. Now, the person will come into my office and say, and during the consultation, what do you recommend? I'm clearly in a relationship with a narcissist, so what should I do? So the way that I break these down is into two stages. The first is pre-planning, as far as before separations and my recommendations and guidelines for pre-separation, and then throughout the divorce process. So as far as initial steps, and a lot of these will apply regardless of the situation, whether it's a narcissist or just a regular old person with no personality defect. You want to make sure that you're collecting documents and things, that you're gathering all those up, and if you're not able to physically gather them, that you're going to make copies or take pictures with your phone so that you have them in the future. You're going to want to change your passwords, so all of your social media, bank accounts, any financial accounts that you have, you're going to want to change those passwords. You should consider getting a therapist, and you should make sure that you have a safety plan in place so that once you make a decision to leave, you know exactly what the next steps are going to be. If there is abuse in the situation, you should consider getting a restraining order or an order of protection. In Oregon, they're commonly referred to as FAPAs, or just restraining orders. So you should look at getting one of those. If you're in a domestic violence situation, you should reach out to local domestic violence services and take advantage of the services that they're offering. You should do some financial planning to ensure your own independence, so that once you leave, you're going to be able to remain independent and not reliant on that other person. You should take anything of sentimental value with you, so that when you leave, you should expect that you're never going to return back to that residence again. So when you leave, you should take everything with you that you think that you might want in the future, especially if it has sentimental value. Now, throughout the divorce, you should keep certain things in mind and focus on certain things when you're dealing with a narcissist. You should understand that the legal process takes time, especially because a narcissist will not compromise. You should reflect on the bottom line and what you want from the divorce as far as parenting time and custody. And you should have those key in your mind and keep those in mind throughout the divorce process. You should consult with an attorney. You should know your rights. You should do that in the pre-planning stage and then throughout the divorce. You should take measures to protect your pets. That should go without saying, but obviously I've seen different situations where pets will get mysteriously injured. So take steps to protect those pets. You should change your phone plan and lock your phone down. Make sure that they're not able to access it through any of the backdoor applications, or by logging in through a computer, or finding some other way to hack into your phone, which may mean getting a new phone plan and locking it down with new email accounts, new passwords, the whole 9 yards. You should close social media accounts, but do not erase any of the material because it's quote unquote discoverable. You should also consider finding online communities for dealing with divorce and other support groups, even locally. Other people have been through the same thing as you. You're not the first person that's going to be breaking up with a narcissist, and you won't be the last. Other people have lots of good ideas on this as well, so you should reach out and get support. If you have more questions on this or other aspects of divorce, please do talk to an attorney. This is Blaine Cluton for Cluton Law. Thank you.